Welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how you can determine some quartile ranges using Microsoft Excel. This includes the interquartile range, the semi-interquartile range and the so-called mid-quartile range. I won't be using my own stikpet add-in, which actually has a function for this. So in this video I'm just going to show you how it can be done without any of that. If I go to my setup for this, the thing we need for any of these ranges are the two quartiles. I have a separate videos on how to determine these because that can be done in a lot of different ways. The most easy one would probably be to just use the quartile function from Excel. But once you have the first and the third quartile, the interquartile range is just as a normal range would be of the maximum minus the minimum. It's the third quartile minus the first quartile. So you can simply subtract the two and then you have yourself the interquartile range. If the method you've used is to determine actually these quartiles is the one from 2K, then you have the so-called hinges, and then this is also referred to as the H spread. Now the semi-interquartile range defined by Yule, which he preferred over the term quartile deviation, is simply dividing the interquartile range by 2. So we do the exact same thing again and then divide by 2. The last one is the mid-quartile range, which unlike the previous two is actually a measure of central tendency. So it tries to locate the center of the data. And it does this by just taking the average of the two quartiles, so add these two up and divide by 2. It's sometimes referred to as the mid-quartile range and sometimes just as mid-quartile. Alright, I hope this video was helpful and thank you for watching.